Hi, welcome to the tutorial for rub-off transfer paper. So as you know, with classical waterslide decal paper, you need water to apply the image. Same goes for the heat pressing transfer papers. Well, with rub-off transfer paper, you don't need any of that. It is a transfer paper, but it works like a sticker. So here is how it works. You might find it a little tricky, but once you get the hang of it, it's so much easier for everyone. Remember, all these steps can be done right on the spot with just an office printer. You don't need anything else. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Rub-off transfer package consists of two types of paper. The translucent film is the printing paper with the glossy printing side. The thicker, white shiny paper is the adhesive sheet. If you have a look at the adhesive sheet, the adhesive layer or the membrane is wedged between two sheets, the clear and white. The adhesive itself also comes in two different color options, clear and white. What you want to do first is, just like any other decals, open the image editing software and bring the image over. Reflect the image as it will be applied on the surface face down. Print on the glossy side of the printing paper. Make sure you know the difference between the printing paper and the adhesive. Remember, the printing paper is a semi-transparent paper. Wait until the ink has completely dried. If you just haven't got a time for that, that's fine. You can use a hairdryer to dry faster. Before we start, I have important tips for everyone. You might want to trim the adhesive sheet down so it is a size little smaller than the printing paper. This is just to make our next step easier, but I will explain in more detail later. Peel off a tiny corner of the adhesive. Place the adhesive on the printing paper with the glossy side face up, then slowly remove the bottom white backing to apply the adhesive. Just like the decal paper, you don't want any air trapped in between, so we recommend using a ruler to push down the adhesive. You want to make sure that you rub down the adhesive thoroughly so it really sticks. My another tip would be to use a laminator to do this, which works even better. Peel off the adhesive until about a square inch space left, then reapply. This step is just to be sure that the adhesive membrane comes off smoothly. Cut out the adhesive, applied rub-off to your desired shape. Carefully remove the adhesive backing paper. If everything goes right, the adhesive layer should now be sitting on the paper. Attach the film sticker to the surface you wish to apply. Start from a corner and work your way up. After applying the image, give it a good rub with your nail or a hard object. Start with a gentle rub and gradually rub harder. If you keep rubbing it harder, eventually the paper will turn white. Peel off that part with your nails and remove the remaining backing. You can also use an adhesive backing for this step. And that wraps up our tutorial. Thanks guys, and see you next time. If you want more information about our products, please visit our website at www.sunnyscopa.co.kr. You can also email us if you have any questions. I've put the email address down below.